In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update banking info on Gumroad. Let's walk through this together step by step so you know exactly where everything is and what to look out for. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign into your Gumroad account with your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard page. This is where you normally see an overview of your products, your sales, and some basic stats about your account. From the dashboard, look towards the navigation options. You'll want to find and click on the settings option. It's usually located in the side or top menu depending on your screen size. Go ahead and click that, and you'll be taken to your account settings area. This is where you can manage things like your profile details, account preferences, and of course, your payment information. Inside the settings section, look for the tab or menu item labeled Payments. Click on Payments to open the page dedicated to how you get paid by Gumroad. This area is important because this is where you control where your payouts go and what payout method you're currently using. Once you're on the Payments page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Payout Method. This is the part of the page that deals specifically with your banking or payout details. Depending on your country and what Gumroad supports for your region, you might see options such as direct bank deposit, PayPal, or a third-party payout provider. If you already have a payout method set up, this is where you'll be able to update it. You should see your existing details and an option to edit or change them. Click on that edit option, then carefully enter your new banking information. Double-check things like account numbers and routing or sort codes to make sure there are no typos, because errors here can delay your payouts. If no payment info has been added yet, you'll instead see fields or buttons prompting you to add a payout method for the first time. The process is very straightforward. Choose your preferred method, fill in your banking or payout details, and save your changes. Once you've updated or added your banking info, make sure you confirm that everything is saved correctly. After that, your future Gumroad